Hey guys, happy Sunday. Hope everybody is having an amazing week. I just wanted to go over a couple things. We are starting to gear up and have lots of stuff going on. So there's going to be a lot of information coming out over the next several weeks. So it's super important that you're staying on top of your notifications and all of that information because there's going to be quite a bit of it. First things first, we're already down here. So, oh my goodness. Let's just go through the schedule this week, talk a little bit about it. Tomorrow is an all-call rehearsal. It's a music rehearsal. Mr. Robert will be back with us, and just making sure we have our music down, revisiting some of those harmonies, and cleaning a few things up. We have blocking on Tuesday from 4:30 to 6. This is our last day of blocking outside of a little bit of work we're doing on Wednesday. After Tuesday, pretty much our whole show, all the music's learned, the choreography's learned, the blocking's learned, so we're in a really great spot. Tuesday called is Scarecrow, Tin Man, Toto, Lion, Dorothy, Aunt Em, Wicked Witch, Winky Guards, and the Winky Guard Leader. Remember, if you don't know who those, if you are one of those, check your costume sheet on our Google Drive. It tells you everything you need and everything we have. Wednesday, we've got choreography. We've got to hit a few scenes, do a few things. This is kind of an all call. It's going to be lots of different things happening on Wednesday. Thursday is our very first stumble through. So stumble through is a theater word for we're just going to stumble through and see what happens. We're putting scenes together. Our Oz cast is going to be running this. So if you're at any time in the Oz cast, the Oz public cast, public shows, or anything like that, we need you there. So that is everybody. Scenes 1 through 7. Principal characters, leads. This is off book date for you for scenes 1 through 7. So if you're in the Oz, Lion, Scarecrow, all you guys, let's try to get off book. You can call the line. And then on Friday, we're going to be doing, working, using that Good Friday, that day off of school to get a little bit done on our set. We are asking that people be over 15 years of age just because we're still in the building stages. This is a great time, though, to earn community service and to learn the backside of theater if you're not familiar with it. Not required, but this is a great time, too, for parents to get involved. We have lots of projects from organizing to a couple things that need to be sewed, fixed. So we'd love for you to join us Friday morning at 10. We're going to be done. We're not going to go all day, but we'll just kind of see how that day goes. But it is a come and go event. Saturday, this is new. This is a Saturday rehearsal from 9 to 12. This is an all-call rehearsal. I know a few of you are going to be out, and that's cool. If you're not listed on the exempt list and you are going to be out, please let me know that as soon as possible. But we're just going to be hitting a lot of things, a lot of areas, revisiting basically everything we need to revisit. So lots of things happening this week, and we're super excited. Other things happening. We are actually headed up to the center right now, or up to Cannon County to, what are we doing? Oh, organize dressing rooms, which is one of my favorite things, start building our set. So by Tuesday, we should have plenty of room and time for you to bring in those laundry baskets. Everyone should have a laundry basket. That's to put all your stuff in so it doesn't make a huge mess. And one of those little, just like a clear box, right? This is for, really it's for me because you have a lot of little pieces with your costumes and everything kind of goes in there. So it's also a great chance if you have shoes that you want to bring, if you have costume pieces you want to bring, please label all those things before you come. But we'll be putting them into the dressing room starting on Tuesday. I think that is it. Stay tuned this week for more announcements about 2 additional shows being added. We're just waiting to get the clearance on that, and then we'll share that information with you guys as well. We're getting down. We've got a few more weeks, and then it's going to be showtime. You guys are doing amazing. We're super excited, and can't wait to see everybody soon. Bye, guys.